2024 was a very exciting year for me as a crocheter. I started off the year feeling like a beginner, still not quite sure of my abilities with crocheting, and ended it feeling pretty confident and even releasing my first pattern. So it's been such an exciting year of growth and learning. So I thought it would be fun to take a trip down memory lane and go through all of the wearable items I crocheted the past year and rank them. So I have 4 categories for these items. First is meh. So anything that I was just like, meh, it turned out okay. I feel pretty good about all of these items I'm showing y'all, but some of them, you know, if it didn't fit right, I'm gonna try to be a little hard on myself with this ranking. Then we have sleigh. You know, it was a sleigh. And next is mega sleigh. So feeling really good about this. And the final category, no crumbs. So anything, I'm gonna try to not do a lot of things in this category and keep it the best of the best. So let's jump in. First up, we have this sweater that I crocheted. I really do like this sweater. I made the same one with other yarn in another pattern. No, the same pattern with other yarn. This yarn ended up being a little thick, so I don't wear this one very much, but I like the pattern itself a lot. So this one, I think I'm gonna list as meh. Not that I don't like it, but there are others I like more. The pattern itself, I think, is a sleigh. This is my picot trellis stitch sweater. You can find the tutorial on here, but I did it again later and you'll see it in a minute, and I think that one was much better. Okay, next we have this vest, and I do really like this vest. I think it's a really fun one. I haven't worn it yet because I don't know how much it is my style, but it's the first vest I ever crocheted, and I like how it turned out. Yeah, I don't have a lot to say about this one. Let's put it as a sleigh. Here's the picot trellis sweater that I love. I love the yarn I used for it. It fits me better than like anything I had crocheted at that point. This is one of my favorites. We're gonna put it under mega sleigh, not no crumbs, because I don't think it's my most complicated pieces. Those are the ones that I'm like, yes, but it's a mega sleigh. We're proud of this one. This one is technically also the picot trellis stitch sweater, but I crocheted it longer to make it a cover up. It's one of my favorites. She might be a no crumbs, even though she's the same as the other one, and I just said it's not complicated enough to be no crumbs, but as the dress, I put it over a little slip, and then it's like my favorite dress. So she might be no crumbs. Yeah. Okay, this one I was really proud of when I came up with it. I love this top. I love the idea for it. I just remember thinking it up and I was like, wow, I can think up my own patterns. That's so cool. So she would be a mega sleigh, but doesn't fit quite right. And I ruined it trying to add straps. So if it fit perfectly, it would be a mega sleigh, but since it doesn't, we're gonna put her as a sleigh still because I was proud when I came up with this one, but she could fit better. Okay, this one, it's funny. It's by far my most popular tutorial on YouTube. I'll link all my tutorials below. This one is just a simple mesh tank top, and I don't wear it that much, but it's really popular on YouTube, so she might have to be a mega sleigh. I mean, it's not one where I'm like, dang, I can't believe I came up with that, but people love it. I'm just gonna put her as a sleigh because it's not my favorite, but it's YouTube's favorite. I still think it's really cute, and I'm proud of it, but it's not one I'm like, oh my god, I did that. Okay, this one I followed a tutorial for, and I love this top. I think it's so cute, but I'm so scared that I would flash somebody if I tried to wear it in public because it's pretty tiny and it's a little loose, not too loose, honestly, but I'd be a little scared to wear it out and about. But I think it's so cute. But because I feel like I cannot wear it out, it might have to go under meh. Even though I think it's one of the cutest tops literally ever, and it should be a mega sleigh, but since I'm scared to wear it out, it can't be a mega sleigh. I'm so sorry. Okay, this top I really love. I think it's so cute. It was a sweater tutorial, but I just didn't add the sleeves and kept it as a tank top, and I think it's so cute. This one might be a mega sleigh. I don't know. We're gonna put her as a sleigh because I followed someone else's tutorial, so I didn't come up with it, but I still think it's really cute, and I do like that top a lot, and it's comfortable. Yeah, I like that one. Okay, this is my Donna top. I have a tutorial for this one. I love this top. It was the most complex top I had come up with at the time. I'm still really proud of it. I think it's super cute. This one is a mega slay because I was so proud of coming up with that one. I still felt like a beginner, but that was the first time I think I started to not feel as much like a beginner crocheter. So it was an exciting one to come up with. Okay, this one is basically the Picot trellis sweater as a tank top, so just without the sleeves. And I think this one's really cute, but the shoulders are a little thicker than I would have liked on this one. I just needed to bring it in a little bit, and I think I would like it more and actually wear it. Since I've never worn it really, I know a lot of people like this one of mine on my Instagram. I know I have friends and family that like this one a lot, but it's not my favorite. I said I'd be hard on myself. That one's going under meh. Sorry. Okay, this one I love. I love the way it looks. I think it's elegant, and I just love a little thing. It connects like in the back kind of. And I came up with this one pretty early on in my crocheting career as well, and I was really proud of it at the time. It is a little bit big for me, so I would rank it higher if it fit me better. So we're just gonna put it as a slay because I think I could do it again and make it fit better, and then it would be mega slay, but it doesn't fit quite right. So just a slay, minor slay, minuscule, almost slay. I never say slay in real life, so it is really weird saying it so many times in this video. This dress. I spent a long time working on this dress over the summer. It was inspired by something I saw on Pinterest, and I made my own little version of it, and I am really proud of this dress. I think it's so cute. It is a little bit big for me, but not really. No crumbs. I love this dress. I think I'm just gonna put all of my dresses as no crumbs is what's gonna end up happening. I don't know. I love that dress. Okay, this is a stand-in for all the boleros I made. I made quite a few boleros, and this one I think was my first ever Etsy sale, which was so cool. And just for that, it gets to be a mega slay because I made a lot of boleros. They're what really sold on my Etsy. I wore one for a pop-up shop and got so many compliments. So boleros get mega slay, even though it's not like an original thing of mine, but they did well this year. They did good for me, so. Okay, here's my 4th of July vest. This one was so much fun to make. I think that one's gonna be a mega slay for me. I really liked making that one, and I think she was super cute, and I did wear this one out on the 4th of July. Out. I wore it to someone's house for a little party, but still, out of my own house. So, you know, she's a mega slay. Okay, this top I love. I've made 2 of it. I think it's so cute. I made a tutorial for it on YouTube, and it's a really cute, perfect summer top. This one, I'm gonna put as a slay just because I think that on me, it has a little too much side stuff going on that I don't want, so I don't wear it much. But I still am really proud of it. I think it's really cute. Okay, this top was the first pattern I ever tested, and that was so much fun. It was really cool testing a pattern for someone. She's so talented. Yeah, that's a mega slay. Pattern tested for the first time. This was a big step in my crochet career. So, mega slay. I love the granny square hexagon cardigan. This was the first one I ever made. I made another one for my little sister. I didn't include it in here, but both of those are mega slays. I love that one. I followed the tutorial by Cameron Kane. She's like my favorite creator. So go check out her tutorial for this because it's so perfect. I think this is a mega slay. This sweater is one of my favorite things I've ever made. This was inspired by an Instagram creators, so I don't have a tutorial for it because I didn't want to steal from her, kind of. Even though I didn't follow her tutorial, I just saw a picture and I was like, I could make something similar, so mine's a little different. But I vlogged the whole thing so you can kind of get an idea of how I did it from that. And if you find her on Instagram, it's Bella something, I can't remember. You can follow her tutorial, which is just a little different than what I did, but this one's no crumbs. I love everything about this sweater. Yeah, we're getting into major no crumbs territory. This dress. This is my Sabrina Carpenter heart cutout dress. I'm so proud of this one. I did make a sort of tutorial because I combined different tutorials. So I linked them in my tutorial type thing. I don't know. But you can find that on my YouTube channel. I'm so proud of this dress. I think it's so stinking cute, and no crumbs. I don't think I need to even say much more. This sweater is one of my favorites. I didn't include the front, but the front, it buttons, and it was my first time sewing buttons on one of my pieces. Plus, look at the back. And I freehanded this, and I made a matching one for my dog, which I also didn't include, but I should have. I made my dog a matching one of the green and white sweater too. Yeah, no crumbs. What can I say? Okay, this sweater is the first pattern I've ever released, and I'm so proud of it. I'm so thankful for all my pattern testers who did such a great job. It was such a fun process. This was such a huge stepping stone. I have to put this one for no crumbs because it was such a pivotal moment this year for me. It's called the Checkmate Sweater. It's on my Etsy. You can also subscribe to my Substack for $5 a month to get all of my patterns that I am planning on releasing. I'm in the process of another one for one that's coming up. I'll show you, but yeah, she has to be no crumbs. I really said I was gonna be hard on myself and then only put 3 in the meh category. I'm a liar. Okay, this was my Thanksgiving sweater. I made this completely out of scrap yarn because I need to stop spending money on yarn. And I love this sweater. I think it's so cute. It's comfortable and pretty easy to make. I made a tutorial for it on my YouTube. She's a mega slay. I love this sweater. This shawl is the next tutorial I'm coming out with. I also made it in green, and it's fluffy and pretty easy to make, but so cute. So perfect for layering. I'm obsessed with this shawl. I'm torn between no crumbs and mega slay because I love it. I don't think it's as elaborate as some of the dresses and the sweaters I put on here, which makes me hesitant to say no crumbs, but it's one of my favorites to wear. It's like wearing a blanket, and I've been wanting a shawl for so long, but I think I'm still gonna do mega slay since we're not just handing out no crumbs. Okay, here's my Christmas scarf. I gave this one away as a Christmas gift for someone who has been really important to me this year. And I love my little Christmas scarf. I think it's so cute. I mean, really no crumbs for this, but since it was pretty simple and, I don't know, and just cute, I think we're just gonna put it under sleigh, partially just because that's where I have the most room for it besides meh, and it's not meh. But in my heart, no crumbs, but on here we're gonna put it under sleigh, if that makes sense. Okay, here's the last thing I crocheted this year. I did this in like one afternoon, and I'm so proud of this top. I'm gonna make a tutorial for it. I just kind of did it for fun after I'd done a bunch of scarves. I didn't include any of the scarves I did this year, but I left out quite a few things on accident. But this top is gonna be so fun for this summer. I'm so excited. This one is no crumbs. What can I say? I'm so excited. I'm gonna make it in blue and white, and that's really gonna be so cute. But it is the cutest top, and I feel comfortable in it, not scared it's gonna like show anything, so it's like the perfect crochet tank top. And that is everything that I crocheted to wear in 2024 that I remembered to include in this video. I am currently, this was half crocheted in 2024. There will be a tutorial for this shawl soon. Yeah, thank you so much to everyone who was a part of my 2024 crochet journey. That includes subscribers, anyone who watched a single one of my videos. I appreciate you all so, so much. Anyone who left an encouraging comment, thank you. I'm so thankful for everything that's happened for me in 2024 with crocheting. It's been such a fun year, and thank you all so much. Feel free to like and subscribe to see more tutorials, crochet vlogs, all of that. I try to post weekly. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't, but stay tuned for lots of updates too with pattern releases and things like that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.